What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tundra. In the last video, we did get everything painted up. The front end is looking 100% 2021 OEM, with the exceptions of the lightning bright Alpharex headlights that we bought. We've been saying we're going to get a little more in depth into that because none of this wiring is going to work. Maybe some of it will, but remember, this is a 2013 truck and these are 2020 headlights. So we got to get moving on this truck, and we're going to show you exactly how we got these suckers wired up, how we got them working. Right now it's spaghetti, but don't worry, we got it figured out. We're going to let you know. So stay tuned. Here we go. Let's get to it. Let's get it done. Alrighty, guys, we do have this wiring situation figured out 100%, so you don't have to. So I'm going to show you on these two headlights right here what goes to where, and then I'm going to show you how we wired some stuff up over on the truck to get these things working just like they were made to. Alpharex, beautiful Alpharex projector headlights with LEDs. Check this out. So here's our old headlight and our new headlight. I'll show you exactly how these things go. So one thing that we learned is you can do this to connect this bulb right here. You can shave these little edges off and it'll plug straight up, or you can unplug this socket and unplug this socket and then just plug the little wire right into it. So that's easy enough. So you can do that. The other thing is, this is our old headlight bulbs. Those are not used. This is our new headlight bulb. So that is used. And then basically you got to take this guy from right here on the old headlight, put it right there on the new headlight. So this plug plugs up perfectly here. So let's go over these again. So this plug is this plug. It won't plug up unless you shave the little clip tabs off the edge, or you can just unplug the plug and unplug this, take the bulb out and plug it in. So you could swap those and make that work. That's easy. So this plug and this plug is the same. You got to take this light from right here and it moves to right here. So that's easy. Just lock him in. This headlight, they're not used. Those bulbs are not used. And this is going to be our new headlight plug right here. So that's how all of that works. And then on our new, this is our DRL. This is for our DRL. So that's that. So basically this is a 2013 light. This is a 2014 to 2020 light. So some of our plugs are different. So in order to get the DRLs functioning, you take this guy, you plug him in right here. And then this goes out to the DRL controller. Came with two of these, I only need one. So I hooked that up on the driver's side. And then basically you got a red wire that goes from the driver's side to the passenger side that connects up these DRLs. And I'll show you on the truck, the passenger side, what we did. So over on the passenger side, this is going to be the low beam plug. So this is the low beam plug and this is the high beam plug. And you can tell them apart because the gauge of the wire is heavier for the high beam than the low beam. Both of these plugs, the wire that's the ground is the white with the black stripe. So the white with the black stripe is the ground. So what I'm gonna do on these plugs, for me, what I gotta do, since I don't have any kind of pigtails, is I'm gonna just peel this back and peel this back, and then I'll tap into those wires behind my wires. So starting right here with the high beam and low beam plugs that I showed you earlier. So I came up to here, and this is gonna plug straight up to my headlight. So we got our ground, low beam, high beam. So that's how they'll plug up on the plug. That's easy. And then this is gonna plug right into the light. That's gonna plug right into the light. And that's gonna plug right into the light. And then we've got this red wire that we ran all along here over to this, that's this controller here. So more to come on that, but so far this is how the passenger side headlight, that's how it all plugs up. That's the way it went. And then right here, that's our high beam plug. The white wire is ground, the green wire is hot. This is our low beam plug. So also, white wire is ground, green wire is hot. So we're gonna have to make a plug to plug this up to this. That's what we're gonna do. The way the wiring diagram is on this plug, low beam, high beam, ground. So low beam, high beam, ground, or ground, low beam, high beam. That's how it goes. Ground, low beam, high beam. So we just ran us a cable to our existing plugs, which I showed you that a second ago. Hey, so check it out. I know it looks like spaghetti right now, but I'm getting this stuff figured out. We'll get it all documented for y'all, tell you what we did. It's really easy once you figure it out. It took me a minute, but I got it figured out. Tap that antifuse on. We tap that antifuse on, it's got the gray wire. You need the gray wire to go for your DRLs. That's gonna be like a, any fuse in the fuse box that's gonna be on when the switch is on. I use the one that's labeled ignition. When we turn the switch on, these DRLs come on with their high intensity. So that's what they do. And then this little plug right here that comes with the kit, see how it's got this little yellow wire? Well, you just plug this in line and plug that little thing into the headlight. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna bring it in, it's gonna bring the DRLs in on low intensity when you turn on the lights. So there'll be high intensity when they're DRLs, low intensity when you turn on the marker lights. So pretty slick. I'll get it tidied up and kind of show you more what I'm talking about. So it was pretty easy. We just ran a cable to our existing plugs and tapped into the green wires. So the green wire for the high beam plug, the green wire for the low beam plug, and then one of the white wires, which was ground. And that got us going, and we run just a little cable from those plugs up to here. Optimally, you could just buy an adapter plug. Maybe they make one, I don't know. But this is pretty easy. It's pretty easy this way. And this right here is gonna be for the DRL harness, which I got that sucker just like spaghetti right now, just going every which way. But you basically got this red wire that goes between the two headlights, taps into the brown wire on each headlight. Those Alpharex headlights turned out amazing. They lit up this Tennessee sky just like National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation lit up that sky. Amazing, phenomenal headlights. We really like them. We wired them all up. This is a 2013 truck. These are 2020 headlights. DRLs are working, high beams are working, low beams are working. The automatic adjustment is working. Didn't even know this truck had it till I was messing around. I wondered what that little motor was, but you know, everything is phenomenal. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop us a like. So go ahead and leave us a comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. I know this one's been a little bit long and involved, but you know what? Somebody out there is gonna need this info, and we got it all recorded right now. So, you know what? I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Until next time, we're out.